everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. It's Chandni from Super School and I'm back with another video from my vocabulary series. And you can watch all the videos that I have uploaded previously for my vocabulary series to bring to you many new words each and every single day so that you can sit at the comfort of your home and learn words with me. It's that easy. So now let's move on to the words, and the first word that I have picked up today is benevolent. Now, benevolent is a common word, but we don't commonly use it because we tend to use its common synonyms. Kind and generous is a common synonym of benevolent. But in a sentence, if you just use benevolent instead of using kind and generous, which is common, then the quality of your sentence will be uplifted and you'll be able to achieve higher band score for the vocabulary part in the speaking test if you use unfamiliar words like this for the common words. So let's see an example and let's see how to use it. So it's an adjective, of course, and it means kind and generous. Many cultures believe in benevolent spirits. Many cultures believe in benevolent spirits. Or I want to be a benevolent person in future so that I can help poor. It's that easy. Now let's move on to the second one, which is bias. Now, bias is a word which is commonly used, and even when you will listen to a lot of English conversation, you will see that this word is common. Bias. Now, what does bias mean? Bias means a preconception that prevents objectivity. So, it's a noun and it means a preconception that prevents objectivity. Now, the meaning is really hard to understand. So, let's simplify the meaning for you. The simplification would be that bias means something which is not fair, which is a bit unfair because you are doing favoritism in some context. Now let me use an example, then it would be much more clear for you. It's important to avoid bias when investigating a crime. It's important to avoid bias to eradicate corruption. So, see, bias is certain preconception which is not good if you are investigating a crime or if you are trying to be fair. So, let's see the third word, which is bittersweet. Bittersweet is a commonly heard word but not commonly used word. So, it's an adjective which means tinged with a feeling of sadness. So, tinged with a feeling of sadness means some kind of feeling where there is sweetness as well, but there is bitterness as well. So, let's say an example. The ending of the romantic movie was bittersweet. The ending of the romantic movie was bittersweet. That means you like the ending and also there are some parts of the ending which you didn't like. So it's a mixed feeling. So it's bittersweet. Now these words are quite helpful and try to use them in sentences and your daily conversation, and let me know in the comment section below how my videos are helping you to keep me motivated to make more videos every day for you. Thank you so much. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and also follow my Facebook page. Thank you.